Hello viewers, today I am telling you how to fix the audio problem when you import a file in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's start. This is the file I am going to import. When I import this file, there is no audio here. How to fix this problem? There is a tiny button you have to click and problem is fix. This is the button you have to click and click. When you turn this button, I am deleting this video and import this clip again, and that's all. You can see there is a audio file is imported. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and thumbs up and comment. Thank you. Goodbye.